Hello. Now, I want to introduce this type cable for the new DMX 512 RGB new flat. This is, you can see that this guy, they have two sides, right? This is a cable for the cable to connect the power. This is for the one side, new flat. This is also for the other side, new flat. Because some project need to connect two kind, new flat, two sides, and for the long distance, the length is very long for the project. So we will need these cables to connect. So let me show you how to use this cable. Okay. Now this is, for example, this is one cable. Okay, we connect this one, right? Okay, the other side, we connect to next one. So this is how we use. This can connect to the second power supply. Because this new flat can, one driver control to 5 meter. The second 5 meter, we can control this, connect another driver here. So now let me open the power, turn on, and show you the effect. You guys see that? Very good, right? So this connector is very good. It's easy for you to do your project, and easy for you to connect the power, and do easy for your. I think you will like it very much. Okay, this is our new flat and very professional.